Hi, Aussie Frenchman here, back again. I'm up to part 36, making the rams, hydraulic rams for it. Now, I've made one. I had to anneal the copper. I'll get the other one done and then we'll crack on. Alright. Make sure I got the right size. Ooh, that was close. You got little rivets on this side, so don't stuff up. Now, the reason why I'm going so hard and fast with this is because I just made one and I know how it turns out, so just happens to be that the end of this brush happens to be the right diameter, and that put on my eyes. Alright, there's that it now. There's a little ledge going from there to there, and that is where that sits. Alright, so that'll sit. I thought it was going to sit on top in between the rim, but it doesn't fit. It actually fits like that. I'm just going to make sure it's on the rim. Alright, yep, right there. Bit of CA. And put that on. Voila. And now I've just got to manipulate it and form it to the cylinder. And voila. A bit on this side. Side. Okay. And there you go. A ram. Fantastic. Looks great. Alright, now you got to keep you separate because there's a left and right. Alright guys. What have we got next? You got to put these parts on. I won't put these on yet because I got to paint them. But it'd be interesting to see where they go. Okay. So I can't put D26 on because that's what locks it in. That's what locks it in. Alright. We'll put these on. K33. And it's about much as what I can do with. I mean, I can put it together to see what it looks like. Let's do that. Okay. Well, so much for not gluing it together. It's just mayhem on the back, and those parts there to go on were really hard to get in there with these things in the road. And I don't know what happened, but I lost a pin, one of these pins, and basically parts from an older model. I found a landing gear that was the right diameter, and I slipped it in there, and all good. And by rights, all right. Okay, so let's keep going. Okay. We've got cables to put on both sides, and we've got to make these things. Now I'm going to make one side. No, I think I can make two. Right. It's just I'm not sure how they are supported. I think they just rest on these. I think it's just the ring at the front that holds them secure. So I'm going to put all this on and see what it looks like. Okay. Okay, that's one hydraulic hose done. Okay, the only thing left now are these handles. I guess that's what they are, or hoses. Could be hoses by the looks of things. You see that? Yeah, I think they're hoses more than handles. They go places. So I'm going to get them done. And missiles are done. Actually, one of the missiles I actually kept the rockets off. I had one on there because I realised there's decals that go all the way around. So one of them's going to be a lot of fun to make. I guess we're going to start having some fun with some LEDs, I think. I don't know how I'm going to do this. Alright, let's have a look. Alright, I'll get stuck into these, get them put out of the road, and see where they go. Okay, I've put all the hoses on it, all the hydraulic hoses on, put on the two supporting brackets, and I've got her at an angle that I think I'll be quite happy with. It's all locked in, I can't move it anymore, that's it. I'll put a coat of Mr. Surface, a primer, and Voila. Hang on, I'll go and get the missiles. Okay guys, well that's it for this video. Just got to paint it all up now. Apparently we're doing it in AK colours, modern green, Russian modern green. The green that was listed was this one here, XF58, and I bought some and I thought it was something special. No, it's just olive green and it's not really Russian, so we're going to go AK colours and get some. But someone's got a pot already, so it was supposed to be over today, but obviously never come over. So, but I've got the grey for the missile, and that's XF20. It's a medium grey, and I'm going to have a lot of fun with this one because apparently there's some panels around here and around there and that are painted silver, and these little parts here are painted silver, the rest is grey. So I'm going to have fun with that one, taping that one up and putting the decals on. But that's what you get when you don't see it through properly. So I'm going to leave you with these ones, guys. Have a good one and take care.